Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it's like a gnat. Hey, this is pretty much a product review video for getting your headlights clean. I know our cars are super old, 20, 30 years old, and for different cars in general, even if your car is not that old, antique. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people have a lot of issues with having foggy headlights. This won't work if your headlight is actually leaking and the foggy part is, and the condensation slash dirt and everything is inside your headlight behind your globe. If you're in that situation, you do have to open your headlight. Sorry to let you know. I'm gonna let you know before you even go buying this product. This won't work if your headlight is actually leaking. But if your headlight is not leaking, and is actually still sealed, and you do have like the condensation on the outside, which we have like here, this is pretty much like a good specimen to use this product on. We do have a couple deep scratches in it, which is not going to fix that at all. That's a total different thing that's going on with this headlight. But as far as like all this, let's see if you can see it, see if I can get the light to hit it, all that like dark spots or whatnot, like just the nasty looking coating on your headlights, this product actually work good. And you can literally do it within, you can do the process within like 5 minutes. That's the best part, but you do have to let the clear coat that you spray on these sit for a good 24 hours, and it says it on the directions. Before we go any further, I'm not sponsored by this product or anything. This is literally the only product that I have ever used that actually works. I'm not saying it's the only one that works, but this is the one that I came across that works. It works for me, works great, real painless install, well, real painless to use, super easy to use. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna talk you guys' heads off as always. So let's get ahead and get into it and get this headlight cleaned off. So this is the actual product. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by these guys or anything. Meguiars, let's try to get the Meguiars Headlight Restoration Kit. I couldn't read it backwards, all right? Headlight Restoration Kit. It does work, like I said. So we're gonna take it from cloudy, fogged up looking to clear. As clear as we can get it, because like I said, this headlight does have some scratches in it. So we'll try to get it the best looking as we can. Yeah, let's try it. All right, guys, so there we go. All right, so the kit actually comes with everything you need, minus some running water, because I'll show you in a second when that comes into play. So this is the cleaning solution. You want to make sure you actually clean your headlights off first with like soap and water. Make sure they're completely dry before you do this. Comes with 2 Brillo pads. They like the same grit. I'm not 100% sure what grit it probably said on here, or they might just conceal those details just for their purposes. Yeah, it doesn't say. So what you do first is shake it up real good. Take it, if it's on your car, you might want to tape around on your bumper and your hood where your headlight is, so this stuff doesn't get on your car. Just a disclaimer, I'm not a professional. All right, so you just take a little bit. A little bit is needed. I probably need a little bit more than this. Yeah, I'm gonna need some more than this. I really didn't want to use this fresh joint. Yeah, I think this is more so like a Brillo pad versus this is more so like a soft Brillo pad versus like sandpaper. So I'm guessing the more the better. Just go over it real good. Just do it. Moderate pressure. You're not scrubbing at it, but just rubbing on it. Get it real good. Get those edges. I don't know, maybe those deep scratches. Oh yeah, I can see it right here. It's a deep scratch still. So that should be good enough for now. Go ahead, wipe it off. I can already see the difference. Look, see, it's all the bad stuff that was on it. Look at that. And I'm doing everything in real time, so you know, no cheap parlor tricks. Huh. like this. If you got time, I say instead of just wiping it off, wash it off with soap and water again. But I don't have any time to mess with soap and water right now, so we're gonna skip that part. Pray for the best. So with this, you want to be like outside in the open air because this has a smell to it, and I'm pretty sure you shouldn't smell it. So this is the clear coat. So when you spray this on, the car has to sit for at least 24 hours. I mean, I've sprayed it and drove with it, but directions say spray it on, let it sit for 24 hours, meaning don't dry your car. So this is probably something you should do like out front your house. So go ahead and just, you don't gotta be a professional, bro. Just have enough sense to spray. That's it. And you see how clear that got? Like I said, it's all in real time, bro. It's all in real time. I'm not a spokesman. I'm not a spokesman for these guys, but you see how crazy that works, bro. That's the product. That's the box. 2-step. Everything you need comes in a box. I wanted to share this with y'all so bad just because when I used this on the GS300 headlights, the GS headlights were 10 times worse than this, and it worked. So as you see, no cheap parlor tricks, bro. No parlor tricks with that. So it does have to sit. It does have like almost like orange peel look to it, but once it dries, it's smooth once it dries. And you want to do this at a certain temperature too. Directions are all on the box when you order it, so or get it from your hardware store or part store. So crazy finish, bro. Crazy finish. Like I said, this did have some deep scratches in it, so I mean, this is the best it's going to get, honestly, with the deep scratches in it. But, I mean, it's 10 times better. 10 times better. So, I got another headlight, and the tabs are broke. And this is actually cracked open, but I'm going to fix that. Can't sell y'all everything, so I might retrofit these and keep these for myself, too. I'm not sure, so this is another headlight. We're going to run it back, just in case you missed it. This isn't as bad as the other one. Like, this isn't as bad as the other one, but you see how that looks? See how, like, foggy it looks? All right. And I've done about, this will make number 5, 5th set of headlights I've done with this cleaner. So, I mean, I don't know how many headlights you can get done with these, but I got 5 done, and the bottle is still full. So, let's see. You just rubbing it out. Rubbing it out. Rubbing it out. Moderate pressure just to keep the Brillo pad down on it. That's all I'm doing. Nothing major. Nothing major. Yeah. The edges. I'm gonna use a different paper towel. That other paper towel got a bunch of that stuff on it. You just take it. You'll see the difference. Well, not the other one. I seen the difference. This one like foggy still. See. I think I seen the difference with the other headlight just because that headlight was way worse off than this one. But you want to make sure you get all the cleaner and the old dirt off. Like I said, if you got access to running water, some soapy water, go in and wash it off properly. This works, but preferably soapy water. Like if I was to sell these, I would soapy water do the whole thing, but I'm planning on keeping these ones probably. So like I said, clear coat protector, and it looked like it's stuff in the inside of this. There you go. Oh. Bang. Fresh headlight, bro. In like 3 minutes or so per headlight. And that's another one clean. So like I said, I'm not in the business to make money off of headlights. I mean, I make them, I retrofit them, I open them, retrofit them, seal them up, give them a warranty on the seal when I do sell them, but I'm not in the business to make money off of headlights. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drop this jewel on you guys. Even if you don't have an SC or a Lexus, whatever car you got, if you're driving at night, you can't see at night, this is the reason why. 10 times out of 10 because you got those dirty headlights. Go to your auto parts store, get this meguiars. Best, I think I spent like $25 on here. on this kit. And like I said, I did like 5 sets of headlights. Like, so a set is 2. So like 5 sets of headlights. So like I did 5 car worth of these. And the bottle is still full. Clear coat's a little bit low. Not too bad, but yeah, it's fresh. Super duper fresh. So yeah, guys, this was never meant to be a long video. This was just pretty much to show you this headlight stuff I've been using, just to refresh the headlights as I've been building them. Hopefully this helps somebody out along the way. You can use this on tail lights, headlights, fog lights, whatever thing it meant to light through a glass, you should be able to use this on. And you should be good to go. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let you get out of here. I'm going to edit this video and go through these parts for the SC300. Like I said, we do have most of the parts for the car as far as the transmission goes. We do have a transmission. And this is like a box of parts right here. Like a box of parts. I'm still waiting for a couple more parts. As they come in, I usually set them in a box if it can fit. The box is pretty much full, so hey, it is what it is. So, yeah, guys. Until the next video, I catch up with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and let these headlights do their thing and dry up. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.